How to make a drop down menu on Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to go for this edit side on the top right corner, and you have to go for this editor.wix.com. So after entering here, you have to go for these pages on the left side. As you can see, click on it, and let's say I want to add drop down menu in home page on the main page section. So I have to simply drag and drop in the home, and this will connect to this book online. And let's go for another one like new page, and if I drag and drop it on the top, it will also add this to my home page section. So now if I go for this publish or preview and let it loads up, so after that if I click on this home button, the two section will be opens up like I have added in my main menu. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video will help you out. This is how to make a drop down menu on Wix website.